Hello, I'm Davey, one of the customer support engineers at Exodus.io. I'm going to walk you through the backup process and demonstrate how to protect your wallet with a password and how to back up your blockchain assets so you can recover them if you ever lose access to your wallet. Once you've downloaded Exodus, you will need to make a deposit into your wallet to activate the backup process. You can deposit any amount you'd like. I'm going to activate my wallet with an Ethereum deposit, but you can choose any of the close to 100 assets Exodus supports. Click on the Receive tab to view the address. You can copy the address by clicking here. That way you can paste it wherever you'll be sending from. Always double check that your address is copied correctly. Once Exodus receives its first deposit, the backup tab on the left will show a red exclamation mark. Click the backup tab to begin. The first step is to create a strong and unique password. I recommend that you use a password manager app to create a long random password. If you insist on creating it yourself, please make sure it's unique. If you lose or forget your password, no one can recover or reset it for you. So make sure you memorize it or have it stored somewhere safe. Enter the password and click Next. Re enter the password in step 2 and click Next. Step 3 will display your 12-word phrase. If you forget your password or your computer breaks or gets stolen, your 12-word phrase is the only way to recover your wallet. We're seeing these unique 12 words in this video as an example, but please do not show your 12-word phrase to anyone. It's very important to understand that anyone who gets a hold of your 12 words can restore your wallet anywhere in the world and steal all of your funds. Write down or print your 12-word phrase on paper, in the correct order and spelled correctly. Store them offline in a secure location. Do not store them on any digital device such as your computer or mobile phone. Write them down and click Next. Confirm one of your 12 words in step 4 and you're all set. The backup process is complete. The next time you open Exodus, you will need your password to enter your wallet. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please let us know. You can click on Help and email us at support@exodus.io straight from your wallet. You can also chat live with us in Slack or send us a tweet. Our support team is standing by to help 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for using Exodus, and I hope you enjoy a new world of blockchain assets.